we are going to discuss Oracle intersect operator. Now, what is the intersect? In Oracle, intersect operator is used to return the result of two or more select statement. Intersect operator using two or more select statement, we going to use it to pick the common records from the component select query. Common records. It will be same records. It will be pick in intersecting records. Common records or intersecting records we going to pick up. Now, and this is a patch we going to use example. This is here intersect. Now already we have one operator. Just we are going to remove. We use the intersect. Where is here? Here we are going to use intersect. Intersect. Now we are going to use intersect operator. Now see here common records. It will be pick. Here common records just select. See here these all are records. Same way here also use next down. Here common records. These two records. Here we are going to find in suppliers. If you both select queries having a common records will return. See here common records it return. This way we are completed. Now same way we are going to multiple expressions. Now we are going to use multiple expression. Where conditions customer these all are it will work or not, we will check. Okay, using multiple expressions. Control C. Okay, customer supplier. Now we are going to check. Just enter. View table does not exist. Here table name is customers. Okay. View table does not exist. Okay. First we are going to check suppliers. Okay. Suppliers. First name, last name we don't have. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, now it is okay. We have name. Okay. Customers also. They should give here colon. Come to customer table. First name is not there. Yes, I think we have customer name. Customer. That's the TYMAR customer underscore name. Here customer name. Just select a star. I'm going to choose ID supplier name. Okay. Here we going to use this name. Here supplier name we have symbol. First name is not existing. Okay, we are going to use the supplier name. Okay, these all are suppliers name. Same way we move here, just check customer. Okay, same way we are going to click. Yeah, now using now it will work. There is no IDs. Okay, why? Because there is no combination records. I'm going to combine these two records in. Okay, customer. Just I'm going to open customer table. Okay, just I'm going to open. This is the customer table. In this table, I'm going to execute two columns. 1, 2. Okay. Control enter. Two records are same. Okay. Now we are going to run. Enter. Remove this. Just enter. Supplier name. Open. Here is all the parts. Same way. Oh, he is going to give here 50. Okay. Now I'm going to check. Here 30 records. Now we are going to use this common records. Now it is going to display common records 30. Here common records 30. Okay. I'm going to use Alex. Here we are going to display two records, common records. These are two common records already available in supplier table. Okay, this way we are completing both. What is this Oracle intersect with multiple expressions. We are using multiple expressions. This is a partial expression. This is like that. We are next use minus operator. Next video we are going to explain minus operator. Okay, now I am